What's up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It is I, Tamala, back today with another haul. This is the Burlington haul from the items that we purchased when we was in Burlington. And I hope you guys go ahead and check out that Burlington video right before this video. So yeah, let's get into the haul. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We'll appreciate it because he does too much.
I got this for Burlington, and it only cost $5.99. I got this for, this is my shirt, and it only cost $7.99. Burlington, it only cost $6.99. These pants are children place pants, but we got them for Burlington, and they're both $5.99. This is my Space Jam shirt, and it only was $7.99.
What's up, Cox Gang? I'll be showing you what I got from Burlington. So I got this Keep Dreaming shirt, which cost $8.99, $6.99. And I got these jogger pants, which cost $15.99. And I got these blue VIP jeans from Burlington that cost $13.99. I have these cute black pants that were $10.99. Also, I have this cute plain black shirt that I purchased from Burlington that was $4.99.
Okay, you guys, since the kids just did their haul, I'm just going to show you quickly what myself and my husband got. This is my Levi's shirt. It was $12.99. It's long sleeves and it's very nice. I also got this plain black shirt, and it was $8.99. Nice. But I won't say it's too plain because it has the little tie right here at the bottom of the shirt. If you guys seen the previous video, this is the only shirt I let my husband get. This champion shirt, this petite or camouflage, whatever you want to call it. And it was $14.99. I also got this toilet spray. The scent is cotton linen. The price was $3.99. I also picked up this photo album, and it was $4.99. And I also picked up this other photo album. It says Together is a Wonderful Place to Be, and it was $5.99. So you guys, that is the end of the haul. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the items that we purchased. And again, thank you all for your support. Thank you for rocking with us. We really appreciate it. So yeah, you guys, and also again, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We will appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, that notification bell, giving this video a nice thumbs up, leaving a nice comment, because we know you're gonna like it here. So yeah, you guys, catch you all on the next one. Bye bye.